Kini kedai Dudarsan Meghalaya bat ngipediang subhai pi barok sekini tu kubor tak janmit cuap pasi kubor kibabnya ini pek suai kimat berkongsan. Job kekurim jong menteri rang bau konrat sangma bat ke kertong keseng NPP ka metap candi e sangma yak election sheet yang semoy hagam begre. Lekis pangut kinong syang-syang kila dawai ke jing bishar bahak halor ke jing klat no jong u hada fil rumbui u belasyak selat ha kekali. Benda ke sorkar ke jing tunggu ban sedang biang ke physical efficiency test naga bentar ke jing tap kampulit ha ke first but fourth battalion. Rumki senrap Badang kat asnam kerta sebagai kamtho kot rengkat kejimpen krek ban pelaj ke kot benengkong jongki. Ki kubor ki babnya ke doktor metap candi e sangma ke kurim jong menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya konrat ke sangma bat ke kertong ke seng NPP kala job hak election siteng samoy hagam begre da ka bapnlim ya kana ngele persya bajan tam jongka ka satya rani am sangma jong ke seng Trinamool Congress da ka batam da 1,000 sanspa khandai psa vote ka kertong jong ke seng NPP kala yo hadu khat arhajan res pa nyu prat liki vote ha ke jing ya ai reng kababon ki balai ap kemang kat ba ke kertong jong keseng TMC kayo prajar proposal vote u kertong keseng Kongres kabajulong keseng kabaklan bor bha ketika than u jingjang marak ulayo nyu hajar rispa khnai san vote bat wan balai u kertong keseng Bharatiya Janata Party u Bernard and Marak shimlala bantam wat tang shi hajar vote ru.
Meghalaya is experiencing that right now with NPP at the government, and we will do more and do our best to ensure that we always give the best to the people.
Of course, we are very happy as a party and would like to thank the people of Kambegri for their support in this by-election. It is very, very heartening to see that people have voted for development, and we want to assure the people of Kambegri that we will do everything in our capacity to make sure that we are able to fulfill our promises and deliver. There are many challenges, but we will do our best to serve the people of Kambegri.
Keseng yusen rob jong ke BJP ke Mahayuti ke lajok bun teli ke syuki ha ke jingjit nong mi kemat sya ke dorba thawaan ke jela Maharashtra kat ba ke India blok ke layok ban bat ya ke bor hajarkan ha Maharashtra ke BJP ke latam ha ke sispa arpun riu teli ke syuki kat ba keseng Shiv Sena balam kemat dau ek nat ke latam ha ke sanpun riu teli constituency ka seng NCP balam kemat dau Ajit Pawar ke latam ha ke life kenali constituency ka kenhun senrop jong ke NDA ke latam ha ke arspa arpun teli constituency kat ba ke India blok ke latam ha ke life santli constituency ha bakren sekilat pthai khubor nong yalam ka seng Shiv Sena u bat menteri rang ba berem u ek nat shinde ulaang ba lala bantau history ya ne ke jing job.
बिक्री है ये मैंने कहा था कि महायुति को थम्पिंग मेजोरिटी मिलेगी और इसीलिए मैं तमाम मतदाता जो है मेरी लाडली बहनाओं को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ, लाडले किसानों को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ और लाडले हमारे भाई हैं, लाडले सीनियर सिटीजन हैं, सभी वर्ग जो है सभी वर्ग को मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि उन्होंने ऐसी विजयश्री प्राप्त कर दी है कि न भूतो न भविष्य तो ऐसी विक्ट्री जो इस बार मिली है, जो 2-2.5 साल हमारी महायुति ने काम किया है.
Hagawai pat kaliang hajarkan ke JMM ke belam khmat ya ke Indah blok kalatam haki sanputli ki constituency haki yang dorba thoang jala ke badon tang properwe ngut ke kenhun jong ke JMM ke badon hak yang sunshar ke job haki khatlai tli ki syuki bat tampat haki ar for artli ki constituency hadu mentah kat ba ke seng Kongres ke job haki sautli ki syuki bat tam haki khat artli ki constituency ke seng RJD ke job ya ke ke syuki bat tam haki laitli ki constituency ke seng BJP ke job haki sautli ki syuki bat tam haki country li constituency kiwe pat kilatam haki country li constituency
मैं पूरा उम्मीद करता हूं कि यहाँ जो है जो लोकतंत्र की परिभाषा है जनता का जनता के लिए जनता के द्वारा शासन, वही शासन सुनिश्चित होगा और वही शासन के लिए जनता ने अपना मताधिकार का प्रयोग किया है। और निश्चित तौर पर हेमंत सोरेन जी के नेतृत्व में आदरणीय सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी जी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे साहब, मीर साहब के आशीर्वाद से यहाँ इंडिया गठबंधन की मजबूत सरकार बनेगी।
Daki spa angut kino senang kila yami patba bat ya kenduk lang henin keski bandawai kajing bishar bahok naga benta kajing yap jong samla hada field rumbui ubala do yala kajing na kajing sha selat ka kali jong ki pulit escort ka balong kawai nagi kali senran ya ka kali menteri ketnat ki kam jong kai ka jala uba po lengdo ha ka khasan terik nai wing la penlong kajing thang mombeti hamadan malki bat kamat jeng kren kalong ba kitu ki badan kti ha kajing kha jong hada field day ban penstam kat kum ka an
Buat kalau don nado ar hajar khatlan ndai kini kim sunyawi takian. We don't need a rule. We need Huddersfield law on safety for citizens on the streets. That is the bare minimum. A law.
Kani hale kade kajing tumu kaig baja. Whatever happens for a reason. Maybe kade kajing ja. Kawan kanang mangin play ki khamar jongi. Enough of the VIP culture.
Ka sorkar Meghalaya kala shim ya kesinjam ban pensuk ya kerukom ban penyo ya ka license bat permit naga benta kajing apply license ban ti mau ti siap kenang ba anla ban gentiu ya kerukom ti mau ti siap ke balong kat kum ka an bat ban kersan ya kinong ti mau ti siap ki badang red usembut menteri rang ba bapet ya katnat home police uba preston tensong ulai tho ba antau ya ke komiti ba kerpang ke ban pet bat khmi bat pensuk ya ke kendon trekam kat kum ka Mines and Mineral Development and Regulation Act.
From the Joint Action Committee, these miners today after the constitution of this meeting, special meeting constituted by the Forest Department to revisit and to review again the present form of the concession rules from MMDR Act. Because in MMDR Act, we have also one part of the Act which is known as minor minerals. So minor minerals means like sand, stone, quarrying, mining of these items are there. So ultimately government has notified this committee, and this is the first meeting where we have with the joint members from the Joint Action Committee, these miners, different districts, they are together with us. So we had the introductory meeting, I should say, today.
Sorkar Meghalaya kala pernah jingtmu ban stang biang ya ka physical efficiency test naga banta bantung kam pulit ha ka first MLP battalion ha Mauyong Shillong bat ha ka fourth battalion MLP ha Sopian u sembut menteri rang ba ka jela badai pej ya kam home police ba preston tensong ulak dau ya ba ki jingtut ha ki kor ki bor ha ka wat banengkong bala penlong ya ka jingtung kam kalong na ka daw bala shim ya ka rai ban sedang thma biang ya ka ni ka rukom perungkam.
Yesterday we have taken a decision. I told them that better we reset the whole thing, because I think some technical defect happens in the in the instruments. So I've already told the board to better postpone it, cancel it, restart again. So now it takes maybe 1 week or 2 weeks like that. So once everything is in place, again we will start.
Kabor punya district jong ki East KHASI Hills ha kasni chok ding kala pentik na ba ki babon ki poiwer ki balawan ri tengen ha kanang ba Shillong ki lalit pai no Sham Manipur bat ki ki benta jong kari ya kani la pentip hadin ka jinglang hapreng ki bor punya district bat ki khot ka Hanyo Trap Youth Council u additional deputy commissioner ba Roni Wa Lang ulaong ki babon balang ki la dep mi na Shillong la no sa tang ki samla pule ki bedang peteng ki jong pule jong ki ha Shillong.
And children. I have the numbers of the migrants, the list of which was shared with the local police station and the Office of the Superintendent of Police, and also with the institutions of the Dorbarshno. A majority of them have already left Shillong, and we are in constant touch with the members of the different associations of the different tribes in Manipur residing in Shillong. And in our constant association with them, we have been told that except for students who are pursuing their studies in Shillong, in different institutions, both school and colleges, a great majority of them have already left either for Manipur or for other parts of the country.
UMLE kemasunram ubak olan singsun uladawa ban penlong dak jing tokit halor ke jing kena bala pendon kam baklai ke pisa ke balakot syaka UA penyarsan keluar tengka ke bah hapok ka special rural work program na ke bentau senam arhajar polai ke badai ka second installment kene ke jing kena kala pau pat ba ha ka khat pratrik naiwe ha ke ba kat tu kan ningut ki samla na mausunram ke la kena ba UMLE barim ke mausunram ubak HM Sangpliang ula pendon kam baklaya kini kepisah ha keba ubak Sangpliang ula kantai ya kita kijing kena.
To the minister, to the director, to the given to even copy to the chief secretary to take serious note of this, so that this fund can be refunded. It is a problem only. The fund can be refunded, and so that to enable me to recast the scheme for the interest of the people.
Uwe unongnya kali arsyaka ula klat no na kajing mensau ha kajing ja accident kabla ja ha kapor kumba kendai beje menmit ha ka arfo artrik unai wing halat kor East KHASI Hills ya uni usamla baklat latip kerteng da ubari kerpang harbuli arfnyos nam karta na kasnong soreng kham katai kajing ja accident kala ja ha ka surok ba national highway hapdeng gawe ka skuti ka truck bat gawe ka pick up kat kum ka khubor ni usamla udang wan na soreng kham bat utmu ban lech Shillong. Ki ang bakalaway jong kena bunsin ka pau hakerta ka badang red bat menta ka sngi ngi wanra yapi ya kane kana ka babyang halor kane ka jinget to ngi ngap ya kane ka kubor.
Ndo Udev Raj data bad uratna dip data ki bedegi konsen rap na Shillong ki baga sab bapala jong ki gila sedang ban pau perthai hakarta ka badang khat arsnam. Udev Raj bad uratna dip amba ki day tang ki konsen rap hendai ki day ru ki kena skul haka class 8 haka skul Kendriya Vidyalaya. Ki armut ki kena ki bedon sab ki lapen kre ben penmi ya ka kot ka bening kong jongki ka balong ka jingjop ka bar kraw hakarta ka jongki.
I wrote the book because children like me and younger than me can read this book and enjoy. This is not so serious but full of adventure and little bit of silliness. When I was eating a potato and I love eating potatoes, I realized that I can write a story about it.
When I was writing the book, I faced so many difficulties. My teacher helped me to write the book, like I was writing a wrong plot. But when my teacher corrected it and said that don't think like a camera, and I think like a camera, and my story was right.
Kinong hikay jongki ka Smita talukdar ka papanyat ya ka Sprout Coaching Center kala syem ya ka benta ka bakongsan hakaban sandor ya ka sap ka pong jongki. Kaseng jongka kala yarap bansay ya ka sap bakerpang jongki kena lingba ka jing ay jing hikay hakijat jing shnaba pher.
So we realized that they were more inclined towards writing stories than poetries, and that's when we thought that we should push them in this department, and we guided them throughout. And the result is right in front of you. They have not just completed 2 books, but they are on their way to write part 2 of the same book. And we are really impressed and proud of our students and their achievements.
Lingba ka jing tray shitom ka jing penyat ba ka jing penwandur kini kinong tho ki bedanglung kilong ki bakloy bansam ya ka jing yathu khana jongki sya ka perthai. Kat ba kidang penkre ben penmi ya ka kot jongki Udev bat uratna kila pensisya bakarta kamdai ka jing khanglat ya ka jing kraw. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Laraki kesengkut senam basis Pak da kinong buat jong kejingit tenrai KHASI mentah kasni. Ya kani kata masa sengkut senam laju raki manus senam ban kenmau burom ya keseng KHASI movement kabla tau kenang ban penek pensak bat ban yada ya kenyam kerukom bat ke kolshor KHASI tenrai. Mentah kasni daki hajar ngut kisamla KHASI terairi kitemen shenrang bat kentei kibala riam da kriam tenrai kle shembentah kejingyat patba kaba itenat kabala penkut ha madan waking hajayau ha kaba la penong ya kejing syak tenrai bat kejing duai berkerpang. Mentapat ni pe kejing long jingman kesundeng hanong ba shalong kejing kriat kalong 9 degree Celsius bat kejing shit kalong kan 0.5 degree Celsius kejing sengam kau hau kalong rip kendai nak ispa ha kapor ban step bat proposal nak ispa ha kapor jan mit. Kalak bandan kejing hap selap ke bawang mala bat kejing dum lo hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Syuab ban poi syuk bekut jong tuk kubor ngi pep yang sasisian kimat bekongsan. Job kukurim jong menteri rangba ukonrat sangma bat kekertong keseng NPP ka metap candi sangma yak election sitang semua hagam begre. Laki sepangut kinong syong senong kila dawai kajing bisar bahak lor kajing klap nok jong hadat fil rumbui belasyak selat ha kakali. Pendak sorkar kajing tunggu ban sedang biang ika physical efficiency test nak bentar kajing tap kam bulit ha first bat 4th battalion. Rung kesenrap badan kat aus 6 kertas yang kam thok kot rengkat kejing penkrep ban pelaj yang kot meneng kong jongki. Dia perlok tengah pois kubukut jong tuk kubor jong imtar janmit hadu bin sembiang pila syai kesi kublai pi barak.